This is a tutorial on how to use the passport reader of the IDentiFake ID scanner to scan a passport and driver's license. Disclaimer: all identification documents used in this video are fictitious. No real identities were exposed in the making of this video. To begin, power on the IDentiFake using the button located at the bottom left of the screen. Then enter the main screen of the ID Visor app. Now we are ready to scan. First, let's scan a passport. In this tutorial, we will be using this fictitious passport. Open the passport and ensure that the data page is facing downward, towards the passport reader. Place the passport's data page flat against the glass window. Push the document away and to the left so that the leading edge is all the way to the far left corner. The passport should be flush with the left side of the glass, under the wedge. Once the passport is in the correct position, the reader will automatically start scanning. Note the LED progress bars along the edges of the scanner. The yellow LEDs indicate that scanning is in progress. Do not move the passport until the scan is finished. Once the passport is successfully scanned, you will hear a beep, and the screen will change to reflect the information on the passport. The LED will show a green check mark or red X depending on the results of the scan. It is now OK to remove the ID. The scan results are available on the main screen. As you can see, IDentiFake caught the false passport. By pressing IDentiFake results, you can see the tests that the passport failed and the tests it passed. Let's see this process again in real time. We can also use the IDentiFake passport scanner to scan a driver's license. To begin, place the license on the center of the scanner, directly above the camera, to ensure a good quality scan. Once positioned, the reader will automatically start scanning. After the downward side has been scanned, the screen will show a notification. Please flip the current document in the reader. Flip the ID so that the other side is now face down in the center of the scanner. Once flipped, scanning will resume. Like scanning a passport, the LED progress bars lets you know that scanning is in progress. Once the ID is successfully scanned, you will hear a beep, and the screen will change to reflect the information on the ID. Let's see this process again in real time. And there you have it. You now know how to scan passports and licenses using the IDentiFake passport scanner. Visit us at IDScanner.com.